everyone, it's Carly. You saw the title of this video, you know what we're doing, let's just get right into it. I have been a fan of David Dobrik's vlogs for quite a while, and a lot of crazy stuff happens in his videos. But I think one of the craziest things to ever happen, not just his vlogs, but in life, is Trisha Paytas. I could say a lot about this girl. One thing I can say, when I first think about it, I think she has a good sense of style. And then as I think more into it, I'm like, okay, maybe it's not as good as I first thought, but it's still good. It's better, like, look at what I'm wearing. I'm wearing pajamas. In a previous video of David's, he confronts her about what she's wearing, and the price she paid for it is bonkers.
Trisha's outfit. What is this thing?
It's Balenciaga.
How much is this?
$1,300.
$1,300.
Yeah.
It's a t-shirt with a collared shirt attached to it.
Are you kidding me? Okay, first of all, Balenciaga, I've never even heard of that place until Cardi B mentioned it, and I don't even know what that was when she mentioned it, because I don't never know what she's saying, just like what I did. I didn't know what I just said either. If it was a cute shirt, then I would maybe understand. The fact that it looks like that, and people are paying for that? Bonkers. So I was like, okay, $1,300, there's no way that's the actual price. $1,290. Even the model doesn't like what he's wearing, and you can see it in his eyes. Those are not model eyes. Those are help me eyes. Why am I doing this? I see people always just like recreating fashion stuff, always trying to make cheaper DIY stuff. So I was like, you know what? Let me take a stab at it. So I went on over to everyone's favorite William, Goodwill, and I got a blue t-shirt, kind of like what Trisha had. The button down. I don't remember the button down as I was looking to be a dark blue as well. I thought it was this color. I should have double checked, but you know what? Now I can't get copyrighted, I guess. Can you copyright clothes? Or is it trademark? I don't know. So I got these two things. I handed the cashier a $5 bill. And you know what she did? She gave me $1 back. You know what would happen if I went into a Balenciaga store and tried to hand them $5 for anything? I would get laughed at and thrown out by security. I'm amazed at what, if people have money, what they will do with it. Now, I'm not turning this into like, oh, you can give people in Africa that money. You can give people in poverty that money. I'm not turning into that. Yes, you could do that, but like, I'm not gonna do that, even though I just kind of already did. Ooh. So I decided to, why not try it out? Try to replicate a Balenciaga shirt, and then I can wear it around and people are like, wow, she's got money. This is like bringing back the Bow Wow challenge. So we're just gonna take, I just wanna make sure I'm getting it all correctly because I don't wanna mess this up. I don't know the last time I used a stapler. It looks like it's just stapled at the shoulders. That's it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside the blue shirt's head neck hole with the stapler. This isn't working how I thought it would be. So we just take it and then we staple it. Okay, one staple is done. We're doing awesome. We're doing so good. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it moving. We could also put it through the armhole. Will this work? All right, and then do the exact same thing on the other side. I think I did it. Got on my 2-in-1 shirt. No big deal. Everyone's wearing this out in Hollywood and New York and Milan. Very stylish, you know what I mean? I definitely bought this for $1,300. My money was well spent. Oh, where'd you get your shirt? Target? Ha! I remember those days. Should I do it like how it is on the runway?
You better work!
Okay, so I think my mom should be coming home like any second, and I want to get her reaction. You can turn around.
What is that?
It's a shirt.
For
style.
What?
Guess how much I paid for it.
$4.
Act like you didn't know about this already. Start again. How much do you think I paid for it?
I don't know.
$4. Shocker, right?
Yeah.
Guess how much it actually is at a Balenciaga store?
How much?
$1,300.
What? No.
You can wear it too.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
Ta-da!
Why is there a stapler in a shirt? A $1,400 shirt?
That's how they make it. So that is what I have for you all today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was laughable. Make sure to give this video a like and also comment down below any other ridiculous priced items, clothing, or anything else that you've seen out in the world. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the post notification so you don't miss an upload of mine, because you can get more fun things and fashionable things like this. I'm not trying to hate on people who buy this stuff or who make this stuff. I'm just saying it's wild what people spend their money on. Everyone else who has money, you have money. Like, good to you, get your coins. Like, who am I to judge? I'm not on fashion police. I don't know what I'm doing, because again, I was just wearing pajamas for filming this. I don't know. This is just me trying to put a disclaimer so I don't get hate comments. But did it work? Probably not. Yeah, I don't have an outro, so I guess I'll just cut off right here.